Good day, Nightingale Creatives. I am Nathaniel M. Rezuelo from BSN Level 3, and I am running for the position of Creative Director. Though I do not have any formal experience to being a creative director, I do have skills for graphic design and content creation. To be specific, my designs are for personal use, but I also make designs for school-related projects like portfolios and such. Then when it comes to the process is I take ideas or inspiration from sites that offer designs, and then I would conceptualize on a design, and once I am satisfied, I will go to people that I trust to criticize and evaluate my work. If they find anything off or slight or off about it, I can use those feedbacks to make revisions to my designs. That also goes to content creation. I also do take inspiration, and when I am satisfied, I go to people that I trust and make revisions based on their feedback. So, I also mentioned that I am skilled in content creation. I did consider going for the social media manager position. Though I am not that sure if my skills in content creation is enough for it to be engaging for the masses or our viewers, like the students. So if ever I do not succeed in being a creative director, I guess I can take on the role of social media manager, and I will try my best to handle the responsibility of managing contents, responding to engagements or feedbacks from students, and keeping the presence of our social media platforms consistent, keeping them the presence of our platforms ongoing, consistent, and trending. And that is all from me. I am Nathaniel M. Rezuelo from BSN Level 3, running as your creative director. Thank you very much.